Today I'm gonna tell about few confusing definition that like what is lie, what is position, presenting part, what is the attitude of the fetus. It sounds similar but there is a different definition for each of it. अभी हम देखते हैं what क्या difference है इस definition में. पहले तो lie. So definition देखते हैं. It is a relationship of the long axis of the fetus to that of the long axis of the maternal spine. सो लॉन्ग एक्सिस ऑफ द फीटस. व्हाट इज लॉन्ग एक्सिस? बेबी कौन सी एक्सिस में है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द लॉन्ग एक्सिस. पूरा लेंथ ऑफ द बेबी इज द लॉन्ग एक्सिस ऑफ द बेबी. मतलब बेबी का स्पाइन का पूरा लेंथ इट इज अ लॉन्ग एक्सिस ऑफ द बेबी. लॉन्ग एक्सिस ऑफ द मदर इज मम्मी का पूरा स्पाइन जो होता है वो लॉन्ग एक्सिस ऑफ द मदर होता है. सो द लॉन्ग एक्सिस ऑफ द मदर दैट इज मदर स्पाइन में बेबी कैसे लाई हो रहा है. If the baby is lying transverse, then it is a transverse lie. If the baby is lying along, मतलब स्पाइन मम्मी की स्पाइन भी ऐसा है, बेबी का मम्मी का स्पाइन भी ऐसा है, बेबी भी ऐसा ही है, मतलब बेबी का स्पाइन भी ऐसे है. Let us say if they are parallel to each other, then it is called as a longitudinal. And if the baby is lying in the oblique position, then it is the oblique lie. So these are the three important lies that is the baby can usually lie in. Then what is presentation? Presentation is that what part of the baby is occupying the lower end of the uterus. Lower end of the uterus मतलब at the a uterus है, lower end of the uterus around the OS, internal OS में कौन सी part है. So it can be cephalic होगा, फिर it will be the skull. Then if it is podalic होगा it can be limb, hand की knobs, it can be anything. Shoulder presentation में shoulder को हम देख सकते हैं जब we do per vaginal examination. So in the cephalic there is many presentation in cephalic also. It depends upon the what is the attitude of the baby. पहले हम देखते हैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करने से पहले मैं एटीट्यूड क्या है बता देती हूँ. Attitude is the relation of the different part of the fetus to one another. मतलब बेबी का हैंड, हेड एंड लेग्स, इन तीनों में क्या रिलेशन है वो है एटीट्यूड. So usually till the term baby can be in the flex position, and usually complete flexion is the most common position that baby most common attitude that baby lies in is the complete flexion. Flexion है वो complete flexion में like करता है. That's its attitude. So complete flexion होगा. फिर when you do the upper vaginal examination we can see the वर्टेक्स प्रेजेंटेशन होता है. दैट वी कैन सी द एंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर फ्रंटल एले को फील कर सकता है. इफ देर इज लिटिल डिफ्लेक्शन फिर भी वो क्या होता है, वो भी वर्टेक्स प्रेजेंटेशन ही होगा. वी कैन स्टिल फील द एंटीरियर फ्रंटल एले. क्या होगा इफ देर इज द एक्सटेंशन. Okay, when there is an extension it will become a bro presentation. Bro presentation में mentovertical diameter आ जाता है which is the longest diameter है. इसको कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, डायरेक्ट C section करना है. Normal delivery is not possible in this presentation. Then we can see there is the complete extension होगा. Complete extension में face presentation होता है. फेस प्रेजेंटेशन में वी कैन स्टिल ट्राई फॉर द नॉर्मल वेजाइनल डिलीवरी. नहीं होगा तो वी कैन गो फॉर द सी सेक्शन, बट वी कैन ट्राई फॉर द नॉर्मल वेजाइनल डिलीवरी इन दैट इज द प्रेजेंटेशन एंड द एटीट्यूड. प्रेजेंटिंग पार्ट वही जो मैं बोली, व्हेन वी डू दी पर वेजाइनल एग्जामिनेशन जो पार्ट हमको फील होता है वो है पर वेजाइनल, दैट इज द प्रेजेंटिंग पार्ट. डेफिनेशन इज एज दिस. It is defined as a part of the presentation which overlines the internal OS and felt at the cervical opening. Okay, cervical opening में per vaginal examination करता है तब जो part हमको feel होता है वो है presenting part. So it can be vertex, anterior frontal, it can be bro which will be it can be bro presentation, and if you can feel the face then it is a face presentation. Okay. Next we have to know about the position. position is, it's a relationship, it's a relation of the denominator to different quadrants of the pelvis. Attitude क्या होता है, different parts of the fetus in relation to the fetus itself. But in the position, it is a different parts of the fetus in the it is a different parts of the pelvis to which the fetal skull is related to. That is the position. So what is denominator? Let's know what is denominator पहले. The fixed bony point. The fixed bony point, अभी हम सोचते हैं the occiput is the fixed bony point. Okay, of the presenting part. Presenting part will be the let's think the presenting part as the skull, and the fixed point is the occiput. And this in relation to the different quadrant of the maternal pelvis. Maternal pelvis different part matlab pehle it can be in relation, just think this as the hip bone, mainly in relation to the tip of the hip, that is pubis symphysis. And next is the maternal spine, that is the sacral bone. So the sacral bone, so there is a fetus can lie in the relationship or in the relation with these pubic symphysis or with the sacral bone. So just imagine this is the occiput. तो adjust कीजिए drawing का. So this is the think with this is a occipital bone of the fetus. So this is the fetus, उसका skull है, and it's the occiput की part what we are seeing. If it is lying on the sacrum, then it is the posterior. So it will be occipito-posterior. If this occiput is lying on the pubis symphysis, ये occiput होगा, turn होकर ये occiput होगा, and this occiput is lying on this will be occipito-anterior. So occiput pubis symphysis पे लाई होगा, then it is occipito-anterior, वही sacral bone पे लाई होगा occipito-posterior. So this is denominator, the fixed bony point of a presenting part which in the relation to the various quadrants of the maternal pelvis. There is 8 position in which the fetal skull can lie in the relation to the mother's pelvis. It can be occipito-anterior as I told, and occipito-posterior. And there can be a little tilt where it can be right occipito-posterior or left occipito-posterior. And same way, right occipito-anterior, left occipito-anterior. Basically, हमारा left बेबी का मम्मी का right होगा, हमारा right मम्मी का left होगा. So it will be the opposite. So transverse क्या होगा? This is the sacral bone, this is the pubis symphysis, but the skull is the occipital region, the skull is not lying on both. It is like just lying transverse. So this is transverse. It can be on the right side or it can be on the left side. Okay, it can. So that is the total 8 position is there. So these are the different differentiating features between the position, attitude, presentation and the lie. Hope that you have understood. Thank you.